big balloon. Did you see that?
So excited to be up this early because I don't get up this early. The only person I'd ever do it for is Joey.
Look at this.
Very excited.
Excited,
Wait.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Say hello. Hi. Hello everyone, this is Joanna Martin and I'm currently, I don't know, what are we? What would you say? How far off the ground here?
Couple hundred feet.
Couple of 100 feet off the ground in a hot air balloon on the Gold Coast with the $1 Million Masterclass. And this week's behind the scenes tip is from here. We might have burners every now and then. We were having a discussion in class yesterday about sometimes we get so far into that that we can't see the wood for the trees. So from time to time we need to get perspective. Hence, we're all up here in this balloon having a look at things from a new perspective. So, how long since you've taken the bird's eye view on your business? Time to check that out. Have fun with it this week. I'll see you next week.